Dear friends, here's Alex from AR Precise. These are Konica-Minolta Copier toners, TN321 Toners, TN324 Toners, TN512 Toners, and TN514 Toners. All of these toners were made by high-quality Japanese bucket toner powder, so their toner's quality is very guaranteed and stable. Okay? These are our testing papers. Black, cyan, magenta, yellow, a picture. And my company can provide you with highest quality toners with the most competitive prices and a tremendous service. Just contact us if you're interested in these products. Okay? We will never let you disappointed. Only satisfaction. Thank you very much. Thank you.